Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing the most delicious high protein chocolate smoothie recipe. It's a great smoothie recipe to support your weight loss goals. It's nut free, dairy free and sugar free. Super healthy breakfast smoothie to kickstart your day. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 glass or 1 cup of water. Into this, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon soaked chia seeds for that extra omega-3s, fiber and protein. I soak the chia seeds for about 10 to 15 minutes. 1 tablespoon flax seeds, again for some extra omega-3s, fiber and protein. I always like to include flax seeds in my smoothies as it helps to balance your hormones as well. For an additional flavor, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Cinnamon not only gives an amazing flavor but also helps to boost your metabolism. Add in 2 scoops of your favorite protein powder. 1 ripe banana. The banana I'm using is a local variety, hence is slightly smaller than normal bananas. During this time of the season, I get this local variety of avocado which is also slightly smaller than the normal avocados which you may be getting in the market. Since this is a really small avocado, I'm using 1 whole small avocado. Now if your avocado is larger than this, half of an avocado will be ideal. Avocado is a good source of healthy fats, magnesium, potassium, fiber and many other vitamins. So try to use them when they are in season. The protein powder and the healthy fats and fiber from the avocado will add bonus nutrients to the smoothie, and they also will help to keep you satiated for a longer time and nourish you till your next meal. The ripe banana I'm using is really sweet, hence I'm not adding in any extra sweeteners like dates. But if you prefer more sweetness to your smoothie, you can add in 1 soft medjool dates or any sweetener of your choice like maple syrup. Pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass. You can see how thick and creamy the smoothie is. Lastly, for added flavor and crunch, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of raw cacao nibs. I really like to add raw cacao nibs to my smoothie as they give an amazing crunch to the smoothie. However, it's entirely optional. And my super healthy, high protein chocolate smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy, high protein breakfast smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.